Hi, my name is Robert Pestana with Easy Flow Foam. Now that you've completed your initial setup and installation of a system, now you're ready to start packaging. First thing, get your polyfilm, secure it into the bottom of the box. Make sure all corners are covered and all air is released from the bottom. Once you have that set, you're ready to pour your first layer of foam. Wait for the foam to start reacting. Once it starts reacting, you'll be ready to start folding. Then take whatever you're packaging, in this case a glass vase. Insert into the rising foam and hold in place until the foam stops rising. From there, you're ready for your second layer, which will be the top. Once again, grab your polyfilm, tuck it in all the crevices to make sure you get good foam around the product. Fold the poly, and as the foam rises, you're going to close your box. Hold it there until the foam is done rising. From there, you can open it up and see that perfect imprint of that vase that we are packaging. Now that our product is fully foamed, let's see how it holds up. Removing the top layer, you can see that perfectly formed shape. And our product inside, perfect.